So Verland is an intermediate care facility for those with intellectual disabilities in terms of communication and cognition and participation in self-care.
Go! Here we go!
The sensory room has just opened up a new avenue for our residents to engage in a positive and effective way. Southpaw made the experience super easy, from inception to planning to execution. I would certainly recommend Southpaw to another facility like Verland.
I had the opportunity to meet on site here and come to the building. We could identify what the needs were. We could identify the staff that would be using the room and how they wanted to use it.
The equipment that Tom has set the space up for allows our residents choice. The option to have a more active environment along with the passive environment capabilities was ideal for us.
As a rec therapist, I focus on engagement. So it could be like a desensitization if somebody's very agitated and upset, and that could be used to calm them down. Or I also can use it for engagement purposes. So it really just helps us in like social, emotional, physical, and cognitive domains.
One of the things that we've developed is our addition of a super controller, which is how the therapists and the residents are able to control the room with wireless switches. There's no real training that's needed. People can come in, it's literally plug and play.
Asking them, what they want to do, giving them the super controller and letting them choose what they want to do. And they're able to control the stimuli in the room rather than other people giving that input to them.
It's really fun being able to show them what to do and then see that light up moment whenever they realize, oh, I can control it, and then they can pick their favorite colors and stuff like that, and it's all about them and they get super excited because, who doesn't want it to be all about you for just a half an hour time and just have a lot of fun.
The finished sensory room is an amazing space that everybody really loves to use.
So I definitely see a change in their emotional state. You definitely can tell that they feel more calm and that they are able to kind of regulate their own emotions.
It really, really was awesome to see them in that kind of space and to see them react in the way that you can tell that it's actually helping them.
It definitely has a positive effect on our residents' lives.